Hey guys, Dr. Chris Miller here with ChiroSport Specialist. We've been getting a lot of pregnant females lately, especially with lower back pain. So I'm going to give you guys a video, some stretches, or your significant other, some stretches they can do. Now this may seem counterintuitive with our previous videos on stretches for lower back pain, just for the general population, and some of the worst stretches you could be doing for your lower back pain. This may seem counterintuitive. Now if you think about pregnancy, as that belly gets bigger, it's going to pull, my center of gravity forward and put my back into extension. Now most lower back pain is caused by too much flexion, too much sitting, driving in the car, sitting on the couch, etc. Now this is actually the opposite. Now combined, when you are pregnant, you've got hormones released that help widen the hips. They relax the ligaments and muscles around the pelvis to help deliver a baby. So we got that to also think about, but as a general rule, these are the general stretches we're going to do. So we're actually going to do some of the flexion exercises. So like I said, for most back pain, we want almost extension exercises that we've talked about to help counteract that. Well, if you give a pregnant female extension exercises, it's going to make their back pain worse. So here's the number one exercise to do for pregnancy, and it's just knee to chest. Now with the belly, you only can do this in the first or second trimesters, but just knee to chest. Now if the belly gets bigger, you can actually just pull your knees to the side. So just relax the neck. So what I'm doing, I'm flexing, I'm flattening my back against the table. So super easy to do. Here's number two, child's pose. Again, with the belly, it may be kind of hard, but again, during the first and second trimesters, during your third trimester, you're not moving around much. So, child's pose. Again, we're flexing our back. Here's some of the others. Again, it's funny because these are all the worst exercises for lower back pain. So, sitting toe touch, the classic gym warm-up that we used to do. And then just general flexing, toe touching. So those are the exercises to do to counteract that extension that's caused by the baby and the excess weight in the front. Now I talked about that. Now here's the second part. We talked about the hormones that help, relax the ligaments and the muscles around the pelvis. Well, so what you need to do is just get some stability in there. So here's some easy, just core exercises to do. Number one, if you can lay on your back, is a dead bug. So hips, knees 90 degrees, arms up. What you're going to do, just start out by just straightening one leg, back up. Opposite, straighten, back up. After you can do a few of those, fine, keeping our spine nice and neutral. You don't want it all the way flat against the ground. You don't want it arched all the way up. Just keep it nice and still and neutral. Then you can add opposite arm, opposite leg. Okay, do a few of those. That's called dead bug. The next one is called bird dog. It's the complete opposite. Again, start with just the leg. Don't point the foot. Keep the foot flexed like you're pushing back off of a wall. Keep our hips nice and stable. Don't shift our weight, and you're just going to push back. Do a few, alternate, push. Now again, we're going to do opposite arm, opposite leg. Alternate, back. Okay, so those are some core exercises to do, some stretches to do for pregnancy. So tag a pregnant female or significant other. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.